What's up guys, welcome back. I'm Brad with HUXWRX. Today we are talking about how to install and remove your suppressor. Yeah. After you've installed your muzzle device properly, which we went over in the last video, before you put your suppressor on your gun, you want to make sure that it's safe and clear. Whether you have chamber flag or something, you just don't want a desk pop.
Here we go.
Do it, yes.
So without turning this into a sex ed video, you take the shaft of your muzzle device and insert it into your suppressor. Now comes the hardest part of the install. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. So start threading it on the other left. And as you reach the wall, don't forget the oomph that we talked about last time. So after you've done your cool guy stuff with your LARPing buddies, there's a couple ways to take the suppressor off of your gun. The easiest way is to let it cool down all the way. It's gonna be cool to the touch and it's gonna come right off, and again, righty loosey. But if your spouse is nagging you to get home a little bit quicker and you don't have time to let the suppressor cool all the way, you can use the provided suppressor tool with the wrench flats to pop it off a little bit easier. But I will say it is gonna be hot, so don't test your manhood and try to do it barehanded. Use, the oven mitt that you stole from your wife, or a glove or something like that. If you're still having problems removing your suppressor off of your muzzle device, it's not carbon locked, it's actually torque locked. The greatest advantage of flow-through technology, as those gases are being sent out and away from the shooter, is going to be self-tightening onto your muzzle device with every trigger pull because of these canted vents. This is going to ensure you don't have any walk-offs. So the best thing to do at this point is to let the suppressor cool down all the way, grab a larger wrench, and torque it off at that point. If you guys do have any more questions, please reach out to us at our website at HUXWRX.com. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.